Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. My name is Tammicia and I love to share recipes and everything food related here. So I'm pretty excited today because I have a holiday announcement for you guys. I am going to be recreating my chicken and cornbread dressing video for Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be doing it live with you guys the day before Thanksgiving. I hardly ever go live on my channel. I think this will be my second live in 2.5 years, but that recipe in that video on my channel has the highest amount of views, and I figured this is the perfect time to actually do it live. That way, if you have any questions and you want to make it for your Thanksgiving dinner for your family and your friends to put on your table or just for yourself, I'm going to be cooking it right alongside with you guys. And so, yeah, we're going to do this together. It's going to be the day before Thanksgiving, November 27th, and it's going to be at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina, so it's going to be Eastern Standard Time, 4 p.m. So if you are not a subscriber to my channel, first of all, why are you not a subscriber? If you love recipes and you love to cook and you love to eat, this is where you need to be. So please go ahead and hit that subscriber button and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell so that you can be in the loop when I go live, so that we can go ahead and get this cornbread dressing on your Thanksgiving table. I'm super excited about it because this is a family recipe. I learned from my mother, who learned this from her mother. All of my aunties, all of my cousins, we all use the same recipe. It's on everybody's table in my family for Thanksgiving. And it seems that you guys really enjoyed the video, which I'm so grateful for, and makes it even more exciting to be able to do this along with you guys live. So, if you are not able to join the live, if that time does not work for you, this video, my previous recorded video for the chicken cornbread dressing recipe, I will link it in the description box so that you could just go ahead and watch it anyway. You don't have to do it live. I just figured it would be something fun to do. But I already have the video up. It is extremely detailed with the ingredients and step-by-step process. So if you want to check that out along with my holiday recipe playlist, you definitely can. I'll put it up in the iCards. It'll be in the description box. I have a ton of different videos. Really, honestly, you can create your entire Thanksgiving spread from my playlist. I have appetizers, I have main courses, I have, I don't have a turkey. I did not do a turkey video, but I do have a oven roasted chicken video, whole chicken video, which you can actually use that same exact process for your turkey, just of course increase your time. I do have a turkey brining video on how you can actually get your turkey to be super moist and full of flavor by creating your own brine for your turkey. I have all of the sides, guys, all of the sides recipe videos. I have and I have, of course, my favorite part, which is dessert, and as well as our cornbread dressing video. So if you are not able to join the live and you are looking for different recipes to go ahead and put your menu together for Thanksgiving, check out my playlist. I promise you, you will find something that you love and something that your family will love in that playlist. So a couple of things I do want to cover as we get prepared for this live is that all of the ingredients to the cornbread dressing video, to the cornbread dressing recipe will be in the description box below. It's also in the description box of the original video. And when I post the live link here for YouTube, it'll be in that description box as well. So all the ingredients that you need, so that way you can go ahead and make your grocery list and have all of the ingredients ready to go when we go live, so that you can cook it along with me. And the only thing that I'm not going to do during the live, because I don't want to take up all of your time, that evening is we're not going to do the chicken on the live, but what I will do earlier that day is I will have it in my IG stories of how I bake my chicken. It's just going to be a nice, flavorful, really good seasoned chicken, and we're going to bake it along with some peppers and some onions and use all of the juices that are rendered in our dressing as well. So I'm going to do that on my IG stories, but everything else, including making the cornbread and getting all of our veggies and everything together, will be in the live. So let's talk about this cornbread real quick, okay? Because this is super important because it is a chicken and cornbread dressing recipe. So I do have in my playlist as well a cornbread video where I show you guys how I make the cornbread for my dressing. I like to use Tender Bake. You can use whatever brands there are, Marked or White or anything like that. What I am going to say is, please, 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 please do not buy Jiffy for this recipe. We love Jiffy in our house. I absolutely love Jiffy. I will open up a box of Jiffy quickly to pair with dinner. However, for this video and for this family recipe, we do not use Jiffy. We do not use a sweet cornbread. So just letting you know, as you go and you buy your ingredients to make this recipe, do not get Jiffy because it's not going to taste the same as what I'm trying to teach you. But to each his own, I'm just suggesting don't get Jiffy. But if you wanted to learn how to make cornbread, I have a video for that as well. Check the links, guys. And I think that is it. So yeah, November 27th, I'm doing it the day before Thanksgiving because I know that during the Thanksgiving holiday, everything is kind of just busy. You are in your kitchen, you're trying to get, you know, family time in and everything. So I don't want to take up your Thanksgiving day. The good thing about this dressing is that you can make it the day before, cover it up, put it in your refrigerator, and then pull it out and pop it back in your oven to warm up when it's time to serve it up on your table. This year, I'm not actually cooking a full Thanksgiving dinner. It's going to be modified this year with just the dressing and probably a roasted chicken and definitely some greens and maybe some baked sweet potatoes because I'm doing my full spread for Christmas this year because my oldest son has leave, and this will be the first time in either, I think 4 years. Yeah, the first time in either 4 or 5 years that I've had all of my kids together during the holiday season. Ever since my son enlisted, he has actually, you know what, guys? This is the first holiday that he's actually been able to come home since he enlisted. Yeah, it's been years. So you guys know I have a 21-year-old, an 18-year-old, and a 17-year-old. So my family cooking will take place next month in December during the Christmas holidays. So I'm only going to be doing a modified version for Thanksgiving, but there's no way that I can skip making dressing for my family for Thanksgiving. They're just not about to have it, okay? So, but if there is anything else that you have any questions about, for your menu, definitely put it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions regarding recipes or anything like that. And if there's any other video that you guys may want to see live, go ahead and put that down there too. And if I get enough responses back, maybe for 1 or 2 particular items, then I'll be more than happy to create those live for you as well. So that is it, you guys. I'm so super excited for this live, and I hope that you guys have the time to join me. And thank you so much to each and every one of you for all of your love and all of your support. We are actually, guys, now, you know, let me go and take time to say this. We're actually close to 7,000 subscribers on this channel. My original chicken cornbread dressing video is at like close to 95,000 views. So you guys are so supportive, and I wanted to just take this time to say thank you to each and every one of you. You do not realize how much your support means to me. So I appreciate all of you, and I look forward to seeing you on the 27th as we go live. We're going to have a little bit of fun, And yeah, that is it. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, subscribe, guys. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.